In this video, we will discuss right-of-way parcels. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file rightofwayparcels.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil 3D provides a simple tool to create right-of-way parcels. Navigate to the Home tab, Create Design panel, Parcel dropdown, Create Right-of-Way. If you look at the command line window, it looks like Civil 3D is asking you to select the parcel segments. This is actually incorrect. Civil 3D is asking you to select the area parcel labels so that it knows the boundaries about which to create its right-of-way. We'll go ahead and select the area labels here, and notice that as you do so, it'll highlight in the drawing for you. Right-click when you're done. You are then prompted to define an offset from the alignment. We'll have it set to 25. Do you want to clean up at the parcel boundaries? In this case, you have a few options: none, fillet, and chamfer. Let's set this to none, as we do not want to create any kind of chamfers or fillets at the parcel boundaries. However, at the alignment intersections, we do want to create a chamfer because based upon our municipality's standards, this is what is required. We'll also have this set to 25 and click OK. As you can see, Civil 3D has created parcels for us in between the roadway and the parcels. So what is the right-of-way command doing? The right-of-way command is simply a super-duper offset tool that creates parcels from it with the chamfer or a fillet. It's that simple. Now, as you can see, it is creating labels here. Well, we don't want labels in our roadway, and we also want to have a different style for our roadway parcel to be displayed. Let's go ahead and select these three parcels, which are encompassed in the roadway, and navigate to the Properties palette. Change your style to Road, and change your parcel area label style to No Display. This is a nice little trick to always have available to you a style that says No Display. Press Escape to clear your selection set. Now, let's think for a second. What is controlling why the roadway parcel line is showing instead of the original one that was displayed before? What you can do is navigate to your site, and there's a way to control the priority list of parcel styles. If we expand Phase 1, and then right-click on the parcels collection and choose Properties, you'll notice that there is a parcel style display order. If you wanted to have the existing go above all others, you could set that above, click Apply, and notice how it updates automatically. Again, let's put roadway above here and click OK, and now that has a priority out of all the other parcel styles. So one of the things to also mention about alignments and parcels, alignments are not linked to their right-of-way parcels. These are simply parcel segments. There's no unique object type called a right-of-way parcel. So as you can see here, there's a little mistake that we made. We extended our alignment a little bit past the point where we meant to put it at the intersection here. As you can see, it did create this little jog here for the offset. We need to fix this. First, if we modify the alignment to be perpendicular to the other alignment, it adjusts it and we're good to go. However, the parcel segment did not update. Again, it's not dynamically linked to the right-of-way. Not a huge deal. You can very easily solve this. Simply select the parcel segment and delete it. Now, you need to recreate just that one right-of-way using that one little area. Now, there's a little problem that happened. When I deleted that segment, it took on the roadway parcel, which is set to No Display. So how do we pick it and then allow us to actually then select it with the right-of-way tool? Let's go ahead and right-click on Parcels and click Refresh. Expand this out, and as you can see with the Show Preview, you can simply select the parcel that you want to be able to modify. Let's right-click on it and choose Select. It's now selected. Navigate to the Properties palette and set your area label to Name, Square Foot, and Acres. Now we'll be able to select it with the right-of-way tool. Press Escape to clear your selection set. Now simply navigate to the Parcel dropdown, navigate to Create Right-of-Way, pick your parcel area label, right-click or enter, the default settings stay there, and go ahead and click OK, and now we have updated our parcel segment with the right-of-way. Again, simply select this one here, navigate to the Properties palette, and set your area label to No Display, and change your style to Road. And there's our right-of-way along with the parcels ready to move on to the next section, which is subdividing.